Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Vizio Soundbar remote not working or responding, troubleshoot sync and battery and IR. So fix one is power cycle the remote. Remove the batteries from the remote, then press every button once. Press and hold the power button for 15 seconds. Insert fresh batteries, test the remote. Second fix is verify the IR signal. Open the camera app on your phone, then point the front of the remote at the camera. Press any button on the remote, then look for a flashing white or purple light on your phone screen. If you don't see a light, replace the remote. Third one is clear the line of sight. Find the IR sensor on the front of the soundbar, then remove anything blocking the sensor. Wipe the sensor with a soft microfiber cloth. Stand within 10 feet or the soundbar, then test the remote. Fourth one is power cycle the soundbar. Unplug the soundbar from the power outlet, then press and hold the power button on the soundbar for 15 seconds. Then press the soundbar back in. Turn it on, then test the remote. Fifth one is repair the remote. Turn on the soundbar, then press and hold the play or pause and volume up buttons together for 5 seconds. Then wait for the soundbar light to flash. Wait for the remote to show if it's connected. Then test the remote buttons. Thanks for watching.